Hello, good evening guys. Today's date is June the 3rd of 2024, Monday, in the time of 7:30 in the evening. So nandito po tayo ngayon para sa ating part 2. I-claim naman natin yung pangalawa natin Chooks to Go Chicken na bigay ng Chooks to Go Company. So ayan po, i-claim na po natin. So nandito po pala tayo sa may Evacom Kanaynay Avenue, Chooks to Go branch. Okay? So again, Evacom Kanaynay Avenue, Chooks to Go branch. So ayan na po, pine-prepare na po at ina-affirm lang ni ate yung code na hiningi niya, which is yung binigay ko naman ng code. Okay, so antay lang po tayong konti. Maya-maya makukuha na natin ang free 1 whole roast chicken. Part 2. Okay? Okay, konti pa pogi, kahit hindi pogi. Okay, so yan. 360 tayo para mas malinaw ang camera. Ayan, so view muna tayo. Ayan, undocs.